everybody. I am Forlisa. So I am taking part in a collaboration. So the first thing I want to do is say hi to all of my visitors. How are you doing? I am so happy that you clicked on that play for this video. Then I want to say hello to all my faithful followers that's been following me since day one, my new subscribers throughout this last year. So this collaboration is hosted by the DIY Mommy. She asked us to either do a DIY or show some type of fall decor in our home. I chose to show some fall decor in my home. I did my first of many fall tablescapes. I love doing tablescapes. I may change my table up once a week, or at least once in every week and a half or two, no more than 2 weeks. I just like changing my table. I think I've said this many times. But if you guys have not stopped by the DIY Mommy's channel, I have her channel below. And if you also don't mind clicking on the playlist below to view the other participants' videos, that would be so awesome. And also, if you're interested in seeing the tablescape that I'm going to share with you guys for this collaboration, just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so now I've shown you the table setting. Now I just want to give you guys just a little background on what I have going on, just in case there's someone out there that likes the table setting to where they want to actually buy the items themselves. So actually this is a actual tree ornament, Christmas tree ornament, poinsettia Christmas tree ornament that I purchased from At Home. The actual bow and plate actually came from Dollar Tree. This napkin actually came from Z Gallery. The actual charger here, the charger plate, and the leaf flower came from Pier 1 last year. And this black charger actually came from Z Gallery. The actual sequence table runner that you see came from Home Goods. This particular set here, this actually was 12 in a set, and it came from Tuesday Morning, and they had multiple colors. This is the teal. You guys know I love teal. This actually came from At Home. This is the small one. Then I ended up getting the taller one here. Then there's another small one. These teal pumpkins came from Home Goods. This is a Target Dollar Spot item here. However, this particular item here it's from the Magnolia Home Collection. It came from Target. It was 3 in a pack, and it was like $6.99. The cups that you see here actually came from Home Goods a few years ago. I think that's all that's on this particular table that may be of interest to anyone. So that's the end of this video. I thank you all for watching. Giving a big shout out to the DIY Mommy for hosting the collab. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.